in Prepa Tech, CCC, 48% of the girls like reading and 12% of the girls like reading and dancing. What percentage of those that like reading also like dancing? So this problem is a conditional probability problem. So first off, let's start by writing the obvious, what they give us in the problem, which is 48% like reading and 12% like reading and dancing. That is what the problem gives us. So now, to proceed, since this is a conditional probability, we first need to write out the formula, which is the probability of A given that B happened, like so, which is basically saying the probability of A intersection B over the probability of B, like so. And now we get on with the actual numbers. So first off, numerator, the A intersection with B will be reading and dancing, so it's going to be 12% on the numerator over what already happened, which is reading, which is 48%. So having that, you simplify it down, which will equal 1/4, and 1/4 basically translates to 25%. So the probability that a girl, the probability of a girl that likes reading also likes dancing is 25%.
Randomly selecting a card from a standard deck, what is the probability it is not a jack, queen, king, or ace? We know that in the standard deck we have 52 cards, right? We have 4 different types. We have hearts, diamonds, clubs, and spades. For every each type, we have 4 different cards that are these ones. So it will be 16 cards out of the 52. This, it will be the probability that it appeared, because that is not what it's asking. What it's asking is that it's not a jack, queen, king, or ace. So the probability that it's not a jack, queen, king, or ace over the standard deck. So it will be 52 cards that we have minus a 16. It will be 36 out of 52. This is the probability. So the probability of 36 out of 52, it will be 69.23%.
Okay, so for this part, we're gonna be making number 38 from part 1 of the lab. So the problem is, Jorge has 6 Beatles CDs. In how many ways can the 6 CDs be placed on the shelf? For this, it is important to know some information. You need to know if it is a permutation or a combination. You need to know how to distinguish it. So I'm going to explain. A permutation is a number of different ways a certain item may be placed or arranged in order. So here, as we see, it is clearly important that it is arranged in order. And in combination, it is the same as if number of different ways a certain item may be placed, but be selected as a group. So the difference between the two is that a permutation needs to be arranged in order, so the order matters. And in a combination, the order does not matter. So let's read the problem again. Jorge has 6 Beatles CDs. In how many ways can the 6 CDs be placed on the shelf? As we can see, it is a permutation since the order does matter because we want to know how many ways it can be arranged. So what we would do is that there are 6 Beatles CDs. So 6 Beatles CDs, it is a permutation. So we write a P and then in 6 different ways. So 6. Then 6 P 6 is equal to 720 different ways it can be arranged. So that's the answer, 720. You can see in the calculator that there is a number for P, and that's how we log it in the calculator.